I'm in Prague, and for some reason I feel like I should be wearing a cloak, like some kind of wizard or something, but no. I came by train, backpack slung like a lost tourist among even more lost tourists. First thing that hits me? That clash of medieval charm and modern chaos. It's like a fairy tale, if the fairy tale had freezing mornings and prices that definitely aren't magical. And here I am, facing Prague Castle, one of the largest castles in the world. Feels like I've stumbled into an episode of Game of Thrones. Except instead of dragons, I've got flocks of tourists with cameras and the sound of seagulls overhead. But honestly, I can't complain. The view is jaw-dropping, once you mentally erase the crowd, of course. Charles Bridge. Ah yes, the place where tripods and selfie sticks go to breed. Did you know this bridge is over 600 years old? And if you touch the statue of St. John of Nepomuc, you're supposed to get good luck. Since I'm tragically superstitious, of course I touched it, who knows? Maybe I'll get rich. Or at least land a free beer. Now I'm at Old Town Square, facing Prague's famous astronomical clock. Every hour, it performs this cute little show, like a medieval circus act. Everyone stops to watch wooden figures dance about, clapping like overgrown children at a puppet theater. And me? I'm clapping too, because, let's face it, I'm part of the show now. Resistance is useless. This place feels serious. The Jewish quarter, József, demands silence. I'm in the museum now, standing among gravestones older than most countries. Even the loudest tourists whisper here. There's a strange stillness, like the air itself remembers. Heavy stuff, but absolutely worth seeing. You can't walk through here without feeling something shift inside. Time for the main event, Czech beer. These people don't mess about. Czechs drink more beer per capita than anyone on earth, and I get it. Beer here isn't just a drink, it's a holy ritual. So when the waiter drops off a tankard the size of my head, I know I'm in deep. By the third one, my stomach's staging a protest, but my soul is having a blast. Script. And here's the dancing house. Looks like a building that had one too many and tried to salsa with a lamppost. It's weird, it's wonderful, and completely out of place, in the best way. In a city where everything feels like a history book, this thing just screams, surprise. Gotta love Prague's ability to keep you guessing. And so my first day in Prague comes to an end. The beauty of this city? It never really ends. Every cobblestone whispers a story, every beer helps you forget one. Tomorrow's a mystery, But in Prague, if you're not at least a little bit lost, you're not doing it right.